Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set battery charge limit on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and of course, battery settings. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Battery Protection. A list of options will appear. You might also find it under Battery and Device Care, or just Device Care, depending on your Samsung model and the version of One UI you're using. Step 4. From the search results, tap on Battery Protection. When you're inside, unfortunately this is turned off, tap on it first to turn it on. Step 5. You'll now see 3 options: Basic, Adaptive, and Maximum. These modes determine how much your battery is allowed to charge, and each has a different goal in terms of preserving your battery health. What do these battery protection modes mean? Basic. The basic option limits charging to 100%, just like your phone usually does. While it doesn't reduce your battery's wear as much as the other 2 modes, it still applies subtle optimizations in the background to prevent overcharging. This mode is for people who want full battery capacity, but still want some protection without noticeable changes. Adaptive. The adaptive setting is the best of both worlds. It learns your daily charging habits over time. For example, if you plug in your phone overnight, it may stop charging at 80% or 85% and wait to finish the rest of the charge closer to the time you usually wake up. This reduces the time your phone stays at 100%, which is one of the main causes of battery wear. This mode is perfect if you want to extend battery health without sacrificing convenience. Maximum is the most aggressive setting in terms of battery health. It caps the battery at 80% permanently, which significantly reduces stress on the battery over time and helps maintain battery capacity longer. This is ideal for users who don't mind slightly shorter battery life in exchange for maximum long-term battery preservation. Step 6. For the last and most important step. Once you've decided which option suits you best, simply tap to select it and you're done. Your phone will now automatically limit charging based on the mode you selected. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.